Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best doorbell security camera of 2025? Are my full reviews of the top 5 best doorbell security camera of 2025? Please like this video and subscribe this channel for a future update. Thank you. Number 1. The AOSU doorbell camera wireless delivers an impressive mix of security, convenience, and smart features that make it a strong contender in the video doorbell market. Its head-to-toe view ensures you can see visitors in full, including packages left on the ground, a detail many doorbells miss. The intelligent package detection is a standout feature, notifying you when a delivery arrives and reducing the chance of missed or stolen packages. Setup is straightforward thanks to the reliable 2.4G Wi-Fi connection, and the included Chime adds flexibility for alerts indoors. Unlike many competitors that lock you into cloud subscriptions, this device supports local storage, which is not only cost-saving but also reassuring from a privacy standpoint. Performance is solid, with sharp video quality, clear two-way audio, and smart human detection that helps filter out false alarms from passing cars or animals. Compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant makes it easy to integrate into your smart home ecosystem. Overall, the AOSU doorbell camera wireless balances advanced features with user-friendly design. It's ideal for homeowners who want comprehensive security monitoring without ongoing fees, and its thoughtful touches like package detection set it apart from standard models. A practical, reliable choice for modern smart home security. Number 2, the 5MP wireless video doorbell camera, and came away very impressed. The 5MP resolution delivers sharp, clear images, and the 180 degrees head-to-toe view ensures nothing is missed at your doorway. Setup was straightforward, whether using the rechargeable battery or wired option, making it flexible for different households. I particularly like the AI motion detection, which reduces false alerts by distinguishing between people, packages, and random movement. The VR mode is a nice touch for a more immersive view. The weatherproof design makes it reliable year-round, and the fact that it works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi keeps it accessible for most networks. Best of all, there are no monthly subscription fees, which is a huge advantage compared to many competitors. Overall, this doorbell camera is a great balance of high-quality video, smart features, and affordability. Perfect for anyone wanting peace of mind without ongoing costs. Number 3. The EZVIZ wireless door peephole camera CP4 is an excellent smart upgrade for front door security. Setup is straightforward, and the 4.3-inch color touchscreen looks sharp and is easy to use for all ages. The 1080p video quality is clear during the day, while night vision delivers solid performance in low light. I really like the human detection feature. It helps reduce false alerts from cars or pets, making notifications more accurate. The two-way video call works smoothly, letting you answer visitors from anywhere using your phone. Battery life is reliable, lasting up to 3 months per charge, and storage flexibility with up to 256 GB SD or cloud options is a big plus. The sleek design blends well with most doors, and the peephole install feels natural compared to bulky cameras. Overall, this is a feature-packed, reliable, and user-friendly door viewer that provides both convenience and peace of mind. Highly recommended for home security. Number 4, the 1080p smart wireless video doorbell camera, and was impressed with both its design and performance. The 1080p resolution delivers crisp, clear images, and the night vision mode works surprisingly well even in low-light conditions. The AI human detection is a standout feature. It accurately alerts me to people without sending constant false alarms from pets or passing cars. I also appreciate the convenience of the 2.4G Wi-Fi connection and the responsive two-way talk, which makes it easy to communicate with visitors in real time. Setup was straightforward, and being battery-powered means no complicated wiring, making it renter-friendly. It also handled rainy weather without any issues, living up to its weather-resistant promise. Cloud storage provides a reliable backup for recordings, though an SD card option would be a nice addition. Overall, this smart doorbell offers solid value with practical features like real-time alerts and clear video quality. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost home security with an easy-to-install, reliable, and feature-packed camera. Number 5, the ecobee smart video doorbell camera wired, is an impressive addition to smart home security, and your video does a great job showcasing its standout features. The industry-leading HD camera provides crisp, clear footage, making it easy to see every detail. I especially appreciated the demonstration of night vision, which looked sharp even in low-light conditions. The person and package detection sensors are a big plus, reducing unnecessary alerts while keeping important notifications front and center. The two-way talk feature is convenient for communicating quickly at the door, and the video and snapshot recording adds peace of mind for reviewing events later. You also highlighted the sleek design and seamless integration with ecobee's ecosystem really well. Overall, the review felt informative, well-paced, and easy to follow, perfect for anyone considering an upgrade to their home security. Great balance of technical details and real-world use cases.